Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see what is UI and UX. UI is nothing but user interface and UX stands for user experience. So what is UI? We'll see the example. So we can take a food example. Yeah. UI refers to the application looks and the design elements and also the text icons, buttons, images. So these are all the UI. So and also it will include that color schemes, font style and icon styles. So some application they will use a line icon and someone use the fill icon. So visually we are seeing, no, this is the UI. So what is UX? Yeah, UX is nothing but a overall experience when we are interacting with the application, no. So it is easy to use or quickly complete quickly we want to complete the task. So yeah, these are all the overall things. So and also for example we can take a food, order the food, no. So while ordering the food, so it will wants to navigate the proper flow, so the user don't want to get confused while ordering the food. So the smooth and quick process will helps to the for the user experience. So UX nothing but the experience what we are getting from the application, so the user feels good or bad about the application. So that's the satisfying things comes overall user experience. Yeah, thanks.